2004 Mercury Grand Marquis. We're going to do a cold start on this vehicle. It has the 4.6 liter V8 engine. It does have remote start, but I'm going to start it with the key. Vehicle starts right up, no problem. Very reliable car. Never had to do a single thing to this 4.6 liter. And as you can hear, the engine quiets right down. Doesn't take it long at all to get warmed up, and you'll be ready to go. Fairly high miles on it, not too bad. Just under 120,000. Automatic climate control, nice aftermarket Kenwood CD player.